My favorite new addition to my vanity, I don't really turn it around too much since I just kind of have it in this corner the way I do, but I love the two-tier system. It took a lot more kind of clutter off of my vanity. I have all of my beautiful perfume glasses down here. I even have a little thing here in the center for my on-the-go ones. And then on top, I have some things kind of all thrown up here just for collectibles. Picture me and my husband on my wedding day. But I am very thrilled with this purchase, and it's very chic. I'll bring it up close. The gold looks pretty nice. It doesn't look really cheap or anything like that. It goes well with the kind of the aesthetic I have. It's kind of like a rose brown gold kind of clear plastic, but it's very durable. I like plastic, so I'm not gonna hit glass on glass like I do these bottles. It just feels pretty safe, and it turns with ease. Very easy to put together. It took me like, I would say less than a minute to kind of snap all these places and stuff together, but I highly recommend if you're looking for it for your vanity space.
So I finally came in. I was actually really excited about this. I want to say I saw someone on TikTok with it, so I thought super cute. It'll hold up all my stuff. I was using a smaller tray, but I needed a little bit more space for more stuff, and I love that it's 3 levels and all my stuff fits in here perfectly. It rotates effortlessly. Only thing, you cannot obviously lift it through here because this is not attached to anything. It just comes off, but I could see you using some kind of really strong glue like the E6000 to glue it together so it doesn't move. This pops off just as easily, so does this, but it seems very sturdy and it glides, like I said, effortlessly. I absolutely love it. I would definitely recommend it. Love the color, love everything about it.
It's a great height. This bottle is a 6.7 fluid ounce and it fits it just fine. Highly suggest.
I got this today, and I love it. It's so easy to turn, very easy to put together. I love it, and there's still more room to add things if I wanted to. Great buy.